for my final project, I decided to do a Yautja character generator. And I'll begin by opening up a Yautja character text document, which is currently empty of everything because it's where everything from the program will be written to. And then we have name adjectives.txt, which forms the first part of their name, and name nouns.txt, which forms the second part of the name. Okay, so we'll run the program now. So right off the bat, we come up with a message box. Welcome to my Yautja character generator. Clicking OK will automatically assign you a Yautja name and add it to the file named yautjacharacter.txt. So, clicking OK, over here on the command prompt, we come up with the character's name. In this instance, it is Clever Warrior. And we come up with this window over here. So we will begin by discovering your rank within the clan. We click the Find Honor Level button, which opens up the Entry button. So enter number of trophies earned. Xenomorph Queens are worth 100. Xenomorph Praetorians are worth 50. Xenomorph Drones are worth 1. And other prey is also worth 1. So we'll enter a pretty high number for something like this. Let's say 864. And click the OK button. From that, we're going to get a printout of number of trophies. There's our 864. And these are your current and past ranks. We have Youngblood, Blooded Warrior, Elite Hunter or Honored Warrior, and Arbitrator, Enforcer, and Ancient/Elder. At this point, the current rank would be the last one, Ancient or Elder. So we also have a printing of use the table below to figure out how close to other ranks your character is. So these are the ranks of the clan and the minimum trophies to receive that rank. For Edda or Unblooded, it's 0. For Youngblood, it's 1. Blooded Warrior is 50. Elite Hunter or Honored Warrior is 250. Arbitrator or Enforcer is 500. Ancient or Elder is 750. And Clan Leader is 1,000. So we'll end the program by hitting close. Get to that. And then we will go to look at the code. Make this full size. Or actually, I will show you what has been printed so far, or written to the text document. So far, we have printed out the name, Clever Warrior. Our number of trophies is 864. And then we have our list of current and past ranks, starting at the lowest we had, Youngblood, and going all the way over to Ancient Elder, which is our current rank. Within this, we also have our time project finished, which is a time stamp. And now we'll look at the code. Okay, so I used tkinter for my GUI. Some of the stuff that was imported was TK, labels, buttons, message boxes, and entry areas. I also imported the random and datetime modules. In here we have variables tied to strings, which was used within this dictionary, which was used for printing the ranks and the minimum trophies for each, as you saw within the program. Scrolling down, we have another function here, get Yautja name, which reads the two text files, name adjectives and name nouns, and splits them into lines. From there, we use the random module and pick a random choice from that file and assign it to a variable called name1 for the adjectives. And the variable's name is name2 for the name nouns. To create the full name right here, we add those two together, and then we print it out to the command prompt or idle. Down here we are opening up the Yautja character text document and writing that name and then closing the document. Within here we have another function, prink ranks trophies, which printed the ranks of the clan and the minimum trophies received that rank. This is not written to the file, but is written to the output within command prompt. Go down farther, we have my GUI. The original message box is right here. This is our function to get the Yautja name. Here's our empty rank list and another opening the file so that we can add stuff. Right here we have our original label, which is then packed in. We have our find honor level button too. We're down a little bit farther. We have a get honor level method in which we destroy those buttons as they're not needed anymore. Destroy the button and the label. And create a new label for entering the number of trophies, along with yet another label that explains how xenomorph queens, Praetorians, drones, and other prey are treated within the trophies. All of these are packed in this one. Here is our entry area. I should mention that for some reason, when running the program, you have to click off the GUI window and back on it to enter a number. This is a bug. I do not know why it happens, and I have not been able to fix it. Okay, then we have our OK button, which runs the method get trophies, which is down here, and our close window button, which will access out of the GUI. So get trophies is prints number of trophies and what was entered, as well as writing it to the file. Within that, we will also call the function or method get rank list, which builds the rank list. So for this one, if your number of trophies, which is this piece here, is greater than or equal to 1, then we will add the young blood rank, which is way up here, as you can see right here, to the rank list. Right down further, and that's done for all of these. And this here again is the trophies. Within this we have exceptions handling. If you were to enter something but a number within that entry box, it would give you a value error in a message box that popped up telling you that that input is not a number and you have to redo it. This area here, the ranks and the trophies, is not printed to the file as it's not needed. Down here we have stuff that keeps the GUI running. And this here is the writing of the current date and time when the program has finished to the file. As soon as you click the close button up here, this runs. And I think that's it.